if you're planning to drop by or take a look at AMO Residences, stop right there. You need to listen to this first. So why is there so much hype around AMO? Well, it's the first condo launch in Ang Mo Kio since 2014, and it's arguably in an area that has everything that you need. Let's take a look at AMO Residences. It's a 372 unit development, so it's a nicely mid-sized development. On top of that, it's actually sitting on 136,000 square feet of land, so it has a big land but not many units. This is a low density condominium which is actually quite favorable amongst most people. The unit types range from 2 bedrooms all the way to penthouses, and AMO Residences will TOP in 2026. And if you're someone who likes brands, this project is a team up between UOL, King Leong Company, and Singapore Land. All these developers have built many notable developments in the past, so we can expect good quality for AMO Residences as well. Additionally, for those EV drivers, you'll be happy to know that there are 4 dedicated EV lots just for you. There are 5 key factors that make AMO a compelling project to me. Firstly, is the transportation nodes. AMO is within a short 5-minute walk to Mayfair MRT station, which is part of the Thomson East Coast Line. The Thomson East Coast Line will allow you to travel from the north in Woodlands into Orchard and the city, and even till the east. It is also located 7 minutes walk away from Bright Hill MRT station, which is going to be linked to the Cross Island Line in the future. This Cross Island Line is going to be a very useful and convenient line which it lines up all the keynotes from the east to the west of Singapore. Secondly, it's the schools. In a recent article, 33 primary schools have been oversubscribed in Phase 2A, which means that when it comes to balloting, having an address within 1 kilometer is going to be crucial if you want to ensure you get a much higher chance getting your kids into the school. Now, AMO Residences is within 1 kilometer to 3 primary schools. We have CHIJ Primary, Ang Mo Kio Primary, Aitong. Namely, CHIJ and Aitong have both been 30 to 50% oversubscribed, so they will definitely go into balloting. And having your address at AMO Residences will grant you an edge up. By the way, if you are looking at even more schools, there's Anderson Primary, Mayfair Primary, and Teck Ghee Primary within a 2-kilometer radius. Thirdly, let's look at the future transformations in this area. For future transport developments, we have the Cross Island Line, which is going to connect all the commercial nodes from the east to the west of Singapore, and we have the North-South Corridor, which is a 21.5 kilometer fully underground dedicated expressway to improve traffic. Now, one key area I like to see as an investor is if there are any future land sales nearby, because these future land sales will help to raise prices in the future to help us in the resale market, and also by providing a cushion by setting new higher benchmark prices. So good news for you is that AMO Residences does have future land plots nearby that would be coming up. In fact, there are 4 more land plots coming up in AMO Residences, which will help to boost prices as these land parcels get sold and redeveloped. Fourth, we need to talk about the demand ratio. In the Ang Mo Kio region, we have roughly 48,000 HDB units, but less than 1,800 condo units. This stark imbalance tilts in the favor of condo owners, which also explains the insane response during the preview. We can expect a high demand, especially from HDB upgraders. And we already know that Ang Mo Kio has HDBs that have consistently fetched a price above $1 million. These owners should have easily made an average of around $500,000 in profits. And that is why AMO Residences attracted 7,500 people during their first initial weekend preview. Clearly, we can see a strong demand towards condos in this area, which are indeed rare. Lastly, let's talk about pricing. Let me show you all the other developments within the radius of AMO Residences. You can see that they all differ based on age, from 0 years, meaning that they're brand new, all the way to 7 years. And what you will notice is that all their prices hover around the $1,800 mark. And AMO Residences is estimated to have an average price of around $2,000 to $2,001 per square feet. This is only a 8 to 10% higher than existing resale condos. But bear in mind, AMO Residences is a brand new development, and you're actually within 1 kilometer to 2 good schools which clearly have been oversubscribed. To sum it up, based on these 5 key factors, I do believe AMO Residences is a good development, but I must add a caveat, because AMO Residences is not the choice property for everyone. It really depends on your goals and your objectives for both entry and exit. And buying the wrong unit type in AMO Residences could mean making 6-figure losses in the future. So if you want to know if AMO Residences is the right pick for you, type AMO for me in the comments and I'll reach out to you. Let's hop on a quick call. By the way, let me know what you think about AMO Residences in the comments below. Otherwise, if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more of such interesting real estate content, follow me, like and share for more.